In the era of future modernization, technology will advance at an extraordinary pace. Robots will no longer be seen as simple machines, but as essential partners in human life. They will take on demanding tasks, simplify daily routines, and bring speed, accuracy, and efficiency to nearly every aspect of society. From homes and education to medicine and large-scale industries, picture a futuristic automotive factory entirely operated by robots. From the design stage to engine assembly, from installing complex components to conducting final inspections, every process will be handled with flawless precision. These intelligent machines will produce vehicles that are not only safer and smarter, but also environmentally friendly and adaptable to the evolving needs of humanity. With advanced artificial intelligence, the robots will continuously learn, improve, and even anticipate human requirements before they are spoken. This transformation allows people to break free from repetitive labor and focus on creativity, innovation, and progress. This is the vision of tomorrow. A world where humans and robots work hand in hand, building a future that is modern, sustainable, and filled with endless possibilities.